Exercise 183, page 462, question number 4. Integrate the function 2 sine 2 theta between the limits pi by 6 and pi by 3. Let's have a look at the function first before we do the integration. So, if I were to plot an autograph, y equals 2 sine 2 theta, the first thing to notice is the 2, which describes the amplitude of the wave, comparing this with the function y equals a sine omega t, which is something we've talked about, these oscillations, where omega is the angular velocity and a is the amplitude. So the amplitude of this is 2, and you can see this on the function, amplitude of 2. And the fact that we've got 2 theta rather than theta means that the angular velocity is twice as fast, twice as it was before. So therefore, we get 2 oscillations in a period of 2 pi. In other words, one oscillation is over a range of pi, which is here. So the greater the number inside here, there's 2, the more oscillations we get in a period of 2 pi. So in this case, 2 oscillations in a period of 2 pi. So we could sketch the curve out with that knowledge and have an idea of where what we'd expect this to look like. Okay, so let's look at the area. We've got to do this integration between pi by 6 and pi by 3. So making a rough estimate where pi by 6 and pi by 3 is. So halfway is pi by 2, so that's pi by 4. So pi by 3 is going to be a little bit more than that, and pi by 6 is going to be less than that. So it expects some sort of area there. So we expect to get an answer. So let's have a go at the integration. So the integral between pi by 6 and pi by 3 of the function 2 sine 2 theta with respect to theta equals, again we can take the 2 outside the integral between pi by 6 and pi by 3 of sine 2 theta with respect to theta. Performing the integration, sine becomes minus cos, and the 2 comes out and goes underneath. So this is minus 1 over 2 cosine 2 theta between the limits pi by 3 and pi by 6. The minus a half can come outside the square bracket. 2 times minus a half is minus 1. This is minus cos 2 theta between the limits pi by 3 and pi by 6. I'll let you carry on and finish this off now. Putting the top limit in, so it's the cosine of 2 times pi over 3 minus cosine of 2 times pi over 6. Don't forget to put your calculator in radians before you do the calculation, and you should get the answer in the textbook. Okay, part B, integrate between 0 and 2 the function 3 sine t dt. Well, I'd like you to have a go at this one in the light of part A, which we've just done. You could sketch the curve. Because we've only got 1 t, we're going to have 1 complete oscillation within 2 pi. But now our limit's not between 0 and 2 pi, but just 2. So put the limits 0 and 2 in and see if you're getting the answer in the textbook.